guys, so we're going to be unboxing the Laneige, I don't know, advent calendar. This is the 12-day advent calendar. It's called the Manifest Glow Best of Laneige set. Laneige, you know what I'm trying to say. So anyway, apparently this retails for $235 and it has a $329 value. So what's that, like almost $100? I did get mine 20% off though because I bought it in the Sephora sale. So let's get into it. I think it's really cute, and then when you open it up it looks like this. So let's just get into it. I've only ever tried like 2 things I think from this brand, so I'm very excited. Day 1. Oh gosh, okay, this looks like a big girl. So day 1 we have the water sleeping mask. It says hydrate, brighten and soften. Good morning glow. This overnight deep hydration mask contains a probiotic derived complex to help visibly improve skin clarity and texture while you sleep. Cute. That's how it looks there. If it's gonna focus. And yeah, it seems to be quite big. It's 70 mils. Oh, it's got a little thing on it, so I don't want to open it yet. But yeah, 70 mils. So it's nice. A nice first day. On to day 2. Day 2 we have one of the lip glowy balms. This one is in a gummy bear. And I think these are the ones that the MCO Beauty are a dupe of. So it says it nourish, hydrate and gloss. It says it has shea butter and something else that I can't pronounce. I don't know if this is a full size. It's 35 or is it, what's that again? Like ounces or something? Is it ounces? I don't know what it is. And it's not 35. It's 0.35. I want to smell it. Let's have a smell. Oh, that smells really nice actually. Yum. That's so good. Gummy bear. Yum. That smells absolutely incredible. It almost has a bit of like a grape smell to it. But yeah, love that. So that's exciting for day 2. Day 3. Oh, cute. So this is the Cream Skin Serapeptide Toner and Moisturizer. I actually got like a really small one of these in the Cult Beauty Advent Calendar, I think it was. So it just says toner and I get the vibe that this isn't like a full size. But yeah, it looks really nice. I think it was meant to, I don't know, it sounded really nice when I read like whatever it's meant to do in the Cult Beauty Advent Calendar. So that's how it looks there. But yeah, I do get the vibe that this is like a little sample. It's definitely bigger than the one that came in Cult Beauty, but yeah, it's still not full size. I don't think anyway. Day 4. Cute. We have a tiny little one of the lip sleeping masks. I think MCO Beauty have duped this as well. And this seems to be a mini as well. This is 0.28 ounces and it's a lip sleeping mask once again in the gummy bear scent. Oh, it smells so incredible in the gummy bear scent. I love that. There's these lollies that I'm addicted to at the moment and they're called like sticks, but they're like in the grape flavour. If you guys know what I'm talking about, then you know, but they're incredible and that's what this smells like. So love that. I'm very excited to use that. Okay, day 5. This is the Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic Serum. Just says hydrating serum. So I'm guessing this is once again like not a full size. It looks nice though. And water bank sounds really nice. So anyway, that's how that looks. I feel like that'll be a really nice product. I love the packaging of this. I don't know, it just feels really kind of like sleek or something. So excited for that. Day 6. Oh, this is another big one. Ugh. This is the Bouncy and Firm Sleeping Mask. It says plump, hydrate and glow. Maybe it's not a full size. I don't know. It's 60 mils. It looks to be quite big. But yeah, I'm excited for that. That sounds really nice. Bouncing and firm. And I just love the packaging of these products. I don't know, I just feel like they're all just really cute, so love that. I'm very excited for that. Day 7. Cute. We have another little one of the lip sleeping masks, except this time it's in berry. Oh, that smells really good too. That smells really familiar, but I don't know what, but it smells good. So that's how it looks there. Once again, I feel like it's a little mini size, but I mean there seems to be like a fair amount of product in there, you know? So I'm not mad at it. I wish you guys could smell them though, because they smell so good. Day 8. What is this? Oh god, I cannot get this out. Okay, we have another one of the Water Bank things. This is the Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic Cream Moisturizer. Cute. So we've got a serum and now we've also got a moisturizer. And I love the packaging of this. Oh, that's so cute. It's like a little like rounded cube. Like I just feel like that's really cool. So I'm very excited for that. Day 9. We have another mini of the lip sleeping mask, and this one's in peach iced tea, which I love, and that smells so good. It literally smells like a Lipton. Oh, obsessed. That's really nice. I didn't even know they did a peach iced tea flavour, so I'm really excited about that. That smells so fresh. Literally smells like when you first open up your Lipton peach iced tea. So good. Okay, day 10. Got something in my eyeball, but I can't see anything in there. Okay, anyway, day 10. We have another one of the little water bank products. This is the Blue Hyaluronic Eye Cream, and I feel like this is a mini once again. This is 5 mils. But that's how it looks there. It's super cute. Love that. I'm not really an eye cream girl, but I tell you what, my eyes have been so sore lately because they've been so sensitive because I've been scrubbing all of this Halloween makeup off them, so maybe I need an eye cream. Okay, day 11. We have another one of the glowy lip balms. This one is in Sweet Candy. Oh, yum, that's so good as well. Oh, how did they get all of them to smell so nice? They're all just so like sweet smelling. So that's that there. And I'm really excited to try these on my lips because I absolutely love the way that the MCO ones look. So I'm sure that these are going to look amazing as well. Okay, and on to our final day, day 12. We have another glowy lip balm, which is nice, but I feel like we could have spread it out a bit. But anyway, this one's in vanilla. I love me some vanilla, so that honestly smells like soft serve or something. Yum. So that's it there, our final day. And then these are the swatches on my hand. I think that one was the gummy bear one, this purple one, and the one down there was the pink one, and then that's the vanilla. So they're like coloured or whatever. Guys, I actually really like this calendar. I think it's really cute. Like, I feel like we got some really nice products in here, some things I'm really excited about. I'd love to know how many things were full size. I'm gonna have a look on the Sephora website and see. Like, I was really excited about this one, but I feel like this was actually nicer than what I was expecting. So, why can't I see how many full sizes there are? I'm gonna have a look on the actual like Laneige site and see if it says on there. It says it has 6 full sizes and 6 minis, but it's not like telling me which is what. Okay, I'm gonna have to look for myself. I was trying to avoid doing that, but that's fine. Wow, so there's actually 10 shades of the glowy lip balm. I did not know that. So it looks like all of the glowy lip balms are full sizes, which is the 0.335 grams. So that's exciting. I think the mask, the bouncy and firm sleeping mask, is also full size. So that brings us to 4. We got a 50 ml of this, of the little cream skin thing, and you can actually buy the 50 ml for $24, so I feel like that's a mini, not like a full size. Whoops. I think this is the full size. This is the Waterbank Hyaluronic Cream Moisturizer. That seems to be full size, which is 50 ml. And yeah, the Water Sleeping Mask is also full size, which is 70 ml. So those are our 6 full sizes, which is the 3 lip balms, the 2 face masks, and then also the water bank, and then everything else is mini. But yeah, I don't know, I just really like this. I feel like it's actually a really fun calendar. I love the products that they put in here. So yeah, I'm really impressed. Let me know down below what you guys think of this one. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!